Hello everyone. Welcome once again to another career roadmap related discussion by Team Slidespo. Here we are discussing about roadmap to becoming a business data analyst. Many students asked us if they want to become a business data analyst, what can be our roadmap. So obviously first thing is to understand what a business data analyst does. So before you jump into learning tools or coding, it is crucial to understand the role itself. A business data analyst is responsible for collecting data from various business sources, that is sales, marketing, finance, operations, then cleaning, structuring and interpreting that data, then creating dashboards and reports for decision makers, identifying business trends, KPIs and opportunities, and translating raw data into actionable business insights. So from collecting data to translating raw data into actionable business insights, so you will be the storyteller using numbers to narrate what is happening in the business and where it can go next. So key skills will be curiosity, analytical thinking and communication. These will be the key skills at stage 1. Then step 2 is to build a strong foundation is business and statistics. A successful analyst understands both business logic and data logic. So you can start by learning business fundamentals, understanding domains like what are marketing funnels, what are sales cycles, what is customer retention, operational efficiency and finance basics will be important. We have more than 300 different type of dashboards that we have created. So many of them, for example, employee data analysis dashboard, then you can see we have hospital patient treatment data, sales manager wise performance, pizza order delay analysis, e-commerce sales exploratory analysis, end-to-end sales performance analysis. All these are interactive dashboards, and all these tutorials, like for example solar panel sales analysis, regional sales analysis with top n parameter, North America retail supply chain. We also have HR analytics, e-learning, business intelligence, dashboard, core sales performance. So I can go on with these. So I have such examples, and these examples are not only covered with data analysis or business intelligence tutorials, but we also try to provide some business fundamentals. But here the thing is you have to understand what is sales cycle, what is customer retention, what is operational efficiency, financial basics like simple year over year growth or difference between revenue and sales, net profit, gross profit, difference between these terms. So start with basics. Then understanding of statistics and probability is very important. Learn descriptive statistics, mean, median, mode, standard deviation, what is hypothesis testing, what is correlation, and what is meant by regression. So all these things will be very important. So start with these basics. Some suggested resources are also given here along with our own channel. On our channel itself, you will find everything. Then in step 3, understand Microsoft Excel. This will be your best friend. So even in 2025, Excel remains the most widely used analysis tool in the world. So before you move into advanced tools like SQL or Power BI, you must be fluent in Excel. So learn VLOOKUP, index match, if, sum if, count if. So we have all these tutorials on our channel. Pivot tables and charts. Here you can see we have some Excel related screenshots. So this is customer purchase behavior dashboard. This is patient treatment data dashboard. This is fitness and health tracking, mobile app usage, student performance. So you can see how we have created these simple Excel dashboards to help you understand. And in these dashboards, along with these dashboards in our Excel series, you will be able to see we have VLOOKUP, index match, if, sum if, count if, pivot chart, everything. I have a dedicated course also. If you are interested, I can provide you that. It is on Udemy. Then step 4 is to learn SQL, which is the language of databases. Once you have mastered Excel, the next step is to learn SQL or structured query language, which is the backbone of every data system. Business analysts use SQL to extract and filter data from databases, join multiple tables, aggregate data using group by and having, create calculated columns, optimize queries for reports. A simple example is select city, average revenue as average revenue from sales, where year equal to 2024, group by city, order by this. So we have a dedicated SQL tutorial. So here you can see we have this course which is on Udemy. You can go and join this course. It has section 1 where we have covered introduction, then we have SQL Server installation, where clause, joins, then MS SQL basics. After teaching MS SQL, I will also teach MySQL fundamentals here, so I have done that. Here also we have several lectures, advanced SQL Server functions, hosting MS SQL and MySQL databases on live server. So it is a course with 25 plus hours of content, and if you will learn this, you will have good understanding of how SQL is used for, you know, data analysis, business intelligence, different purpose. So you can join this course. I will provide a link and you can join it on Udemy. So here, this one query can replace hours of Excel work, and that's where SQL comes. Tools to practice will be MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, or even cloud-based tools like Google BigQuery or Sandbox. So you can start with MySQL. It is free. You can download it. You can install it in your computer and start learning. I will even tell you ways where you don't need to install anything and you can use some remote SQL databases. Step 5 is to learn data visualization tools like Power BI or Tableau. So here I have my Power BI playlist. So let me open this for you. So here we have Power BI playlist where you can see we have 277 videos, and from basic to advanced all videos are there. Okay, so you can learn them. 277 videos are good for not just beginners but people who have experience. Then for Tableau also, I have some Tableau basics. So you can see I have 24 such videos here. So you can start with Tableau, and in my courses, like you can see I have Tableau course also. So let me show you. This is Tableau course, and in Tableau course also I have that. I also have Power BI course, Excel course. So you can see beginner to advanced Excel course. So this is also there. So all these courses are available on my Udemy profile and you can enroll. So you can see in Excel also you have introduction, what are ribbons, data entry, create data entry form, Excel arithmetic operators, cell referencing, conditional formatting. When you are learning Tableau, so distribution of, you can see these are examples. We will start with introduction, then different Tableau products, different terms used, how to create line chart, compare two measures using dual axis, measure values and names, creating an area chart, how to create bullet chart, everything like relationships and joins, what is the difference between them, calculations and calculated field, which is one of the most important thing in Tableau, connecting to data sources using Tableau desktop, so connecting with SQL database, PostgreSQL database, everything you will see. So this is how it works, and even in Power BI course, you will be able to see we have great, you know, resource in Udemy also. For Power BI, if you don't want to buy anything, you can refer to our, or in any case, if you don't want to buy anything, on our channel itself you will find everything. If you are facing difficulty in finding any particular topic, let us know. I will provide that link. So you have Power BI, you have Tableau. Now that you can analyze and extract data, so you have to visualize insights. So business leaders love dashboards because they simplify complex data into single glance, as you can see here. So this is tools like Power BI, Tableau, and even Excel are the most in demand for this role. So start with Power BI since it integrates with Excel, SQL. Connect dataset from CSV Excel file. Let me give you one resource. So type github/slidescope, github.com/slidescope. Here go to repositories. I have around 38 repositories that will be there for your help. For example, fitness, health tracking, hotel guest stays, hospital patient insurance record, e-commerce customer reviews, and all these data sets along with their CSV file and some tutorial are available on my channel. So this is very important. So one of the most important thing in Power BI or in Tableau is to build visualizations, and in Power BI particularly use DAX or calculated measures or calculated columns or calculated tables. Some functions are sum, average, switch, calculate, etc. A very basic DAX formula for KPI: average sales equal to average sales square bracket revenue. Sales is the name of table and revenue is the name of that column. So project idea is to create a sales performance dashboard showing revenue trend by region. So if you want, I can give you many project links or you already have them, and you can create graph on the basis of those projects. In my channel you will find many projects. So in starting you will find basics, but here you can see we have many projects: employee payroll management analysis, organic product sales analysis. You can see these projects are of multiple parts, like part 4, part 3, part 2. So you will find them, so you have to watch. Step 6 will be to learn Python for data analytics. This is optional but powerful. Obviously, you are going into business analysis. If you will have knowledge of Python, this will always be helpful for you. With libraries like Pandas, and this is a playlist link. I will provide this link where all the links are there. So with libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib, you can clean messy data sets. Sometimes cleaning in Excel or cleaning in Power BI or Tableau Prep, etc. Like in Power Query Editor, it takes a lot of effort. But with Pandas, you can clean messy data sets. You can easily transform them. You can easily reshape them, perform statistical analysis, create visualizations. You can see these visualizations that you see are created in Python itself. So let me see if I have some examples for you guys. So yeah, the, recently there are, so obviously you can see they are not looking as good, but as good as they will look in Excel or Power BI. But it is more, we have more control. So and its purpose is entirely different. And here in this interactive dashboard also, this tutorial that you see, so I have explained how to create interactive dashboards using Python Pandas itself. So you will see in the end. Obviously, it will not look, you know, that good, but at least you will be able to create it with more control. So that's what you can do here. So a simple snippet is import Pandas library, create your data frame, which is like a table with rows and columns, calculate average revenue by using simple methods like dot mean, and print the revenue. Obviously, it will not be this easy, but it is actually this easy. So you have to go through it. And it's also your stone in roles like data scientist or data engineer in the future. So that's why it is important. You can learn Python basics, then focus on pandas, then learn libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, and even Plotly library is there. Then step 7 is to learn how to communicate insights efficiently or effectively. So data storytelling is soul of business analytics. So you may find the best insights in the world, but if you cannot communicate them clearly, then they will not create impact. So focus on simplifying complex data for non-technical stakeholders. This is most important. You cannot fill your reports with technical jargon, like they will be frustrated. You have to simplify it. You have to simplify it so that everyone can understand. Using visuals, not tables, to tell stories. Then structure your presentations, problem analysis, insights, and recommendations. So it should be the structure. What was the problem? What we analyze? What are our insights? And what are we recommending? So you have to create multiple page reports. And in your multiple page reports, this can be one structure. Or you can create separate presentations where this can be structured. You should write clear summaries and reports, and we have taught that, like we can help you. So the best analysts are not just number crunchers, they are communicators. So you have to remember, like if you were a data scientist, obviously that is a different thing, but if you want to become a data business data analyst, this will be a different thing. Step 8 is to build real world projects and portfolio. Here I have given some videos that you can check to see, like here we have sales analysis dashboard. Here we have telecom customer churn analyst. Here we have customer churn. So HR analytics dashboard. And I will list many such dashboards here. Everything free, everything on my channel. So you can start with some projects. Step 9 will be to learn basic data governance and business intelligence concept. Like what is data warehousing, where your data lives. So things like Snowflake, BigQuery, SQL Server. SQL Server, you can start with SQL Server. This tutorial is already there. And how to connect it with Excel, how to connect it with Power BI, how to connect it with Tableau. All those tutorials are there. Then learn what is meaning of extract, transform and load. How raw data becomes usable. Then data quality and governance. This is something where you have to read a lot. Why data accuracy matters for decision making. And KPI and metric design. How to define measurable success indicators. So this is important. So everything is there in our tutorials. When you combine analytics with business understanding, you become an invaluable asset, not just as an analyst, but as a decision partner also. Finally, prepare for interviews and continuous growth. Practice explaining your project in simple terms. Be ready for scenario based questions like how would you measure marketing campaign success? How do you handle missing data? Learn SQL and Excel interview queries. Prepare to present a dashboard or analyze a dataset live, like I have done in more than 500 videos. And remember, learning never stops. The data field evolves fast. Keep upgrading yourself with AI assisted tools like Copilot for Power BI. You should check it out. So, suppose I have a data set where I have product category and I have sales and profit. So in Copilot or in Power BI, I can ask a simple question. What is total sales of furniture category for year 2024, and it will create a visual or a table that will give you that answer, or a measure that will give you that answer. So these type of things are there. After learning basics, learn cloud analytics. This is something where you need, like, obviously student accounts are there, but you need to put your you need to put some money here. But Azure Synapse or AWS Redshift is something that, if you have this knowledge, this will be good for your CV. And predictive analytics with Python. So this will not cost you anything directly, but some time to learn, and everything is on my channel. So follow data communities, like take challenges on Kaggle, keep sharing insights on LinkedIn every day or every week. Share your insights on LinkedIn, what you have built, what dashboard have you created. Join LinkedIn groups where you will find more people like you. Join Facebook groups. I will provide link of some Facebook groups and LinkedIn groups with you, where you will get some motivation also, like how other people are sharing their content. And when you will share your content, your probability of getting noticed by an employer will also increase. So it builds credibility and keeps your learning sharp. So that's what you can do. And here is a quick roadmap summary that you can see. So becoming a data analyst is not about mastering one tool, but it's about developing mindset of curiosity and clarity. Always ask, what business questions am I answering, and how can I turn this data into action? If you have got any questions, anything you want to discuss, you can comment in the comment section and we'll be happy to answer you. Here is your roadmap to becoming a business data analyst.